This is a quick overview of the Hedra Editor and Librarian for the Meris Hedra. When it first powers up or first loads up, it goes out and reads all of the presets that are stored in the hardware, the Hedra device itself. You've got an editor here which controls all of the features. You don't need to press the Alt button. You can program the expression pedal and see both the settings in the toe up and toe down position and change them. There's a utility. You can copy the toe up to toe down, making them the same, which is sometimes easier when you're creating your own settings. The librarian lists all of your stored patches. You can preview a sound by clicking on them. You can drag a sound into the hardware presets by dragging it and dropping it. And you can delete settings by dragging it onto the trash can over here. You can export things by dragging them into the this disk, which will export it in the file that the editor uses, which will preserve the name and the description, or in a sysx format, which is more universally accepted. New in this version is an ability to export multiple patches at once. You can use these little checkboxes and select multiple patches and save them out to one librarian file, which makes it easier to save patches. Preset groups let you save and restore all 16 presets at once. I can save a group. I guess I'll just call it current and save it. Then if I wanted to, let's say I had made some changes and I put a few things here and here and here, and I wanted to go back to, say, my factory settings, I could load the factory file, which I had saved earlier, and load, and that will bring in all of the factory settings. And again, this is writing the presets right into the Hedra hardware, so when it's not connected to the computer, those settings are still there. You also have access to all of the global settings. No need to cycle the power and press the Alt key. You can just click and switch these, and these settings will also be preserved if you disconnect the power. So that's a very brief overview of the editor and librarian. I hope you have an opportunity to use it and enjoy it. Thank you for watching.